Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over this week's assignments. So first and foremost, when you start class, make sure you check two places. Your email right here for any messages that I may send you regarding class, and also make sure you click on announcements and you'll see the weekly assignments that are posted for the week. And you guys will have, you guys are at week 4, quarter 3. You guys have 5 assignments this week. And I'll talk about them here and then I'll go over them individually in the module. So once again, no Zoom today. If you do need to Zoom, have any questions, please email me through Canvas. I will send you an individualized link so I can meet with you guys one-on-one. As always, I'm available during office hours from 9 a.m. to 9:50, and I am also available during class time. So make sure that you are emailing me if you need to meet. So your first assignment is going to be your quarter 3 policies and procedures acknowledgement. You guys have already done this assignment. This was from week 1, but we wanted to reiterate to make sure that you guys are getting this, understanding this. So if you've already done this assignment, no worries, you don't have to do it again. If it's already been logged in, you'll get credit automatically. If you have not, please make sure that you watch this video, preferably with your parent, so you and your parent understand how PE works and our expectations for the class and the assignments. And then you're just going to click on the acknowledgement, which I'll show you in a minute. And then you have a fitness log that's due on Monday. You have an international sports quiz that's due Wednesday/Thursday. And then you've got your mile run and your PFT wall sit score, and those two are due by Friday. And reminder, you have any time throughout the week to get these done. Just make sure that you get them turned in by the due date. So these 2 assignments are due by Monday/Tuesday. The international sports quiz is due by Wednesday/Thursday, and then you have your mile run and your wall sit. You can do that anytime throughout the week. Just make sure we made sure to adjust the due date for the mile run so you can make sure that you're running in good weather. Just as long as you submit it by Friday, you're good to go. Okay, so once you've reviewed the assignments and announcements, go ahead and click on to modules. And it'll take you directly to week 4, quarter 3. And you'll notice that the assignments are grayed out where you cannot click on them. So you have to watch the instructional video in its entirety in order to unlock the assignments. Once you've watched the video, you'll just click next and the assignments will be unlocked. So the first assignment you have that I explained, and like I said, it's not due till Friday, but I have it up all week, and it's the PFT wall sit. So you're just going to go through the instructions. And I've also posted a video, and basically you're just going to be in this position. This is a wall sit position for as long as you can, and then you're going to record your time in seconds, and then you can kind of use this chart for results regarding very good to poor, just so you can get better and better every week. And then once you've gone through the instructions here and you've watched the video, you'll click next, and then it will take you to the wall sit score assignment. So all you're going to do is make sure that you're reviewing the wall sit instructions, watch the video, perform the wall sit test for yourself, record your score in seconds. Okay, make sure you don't put it in minutes or any other time increment. Make sure it stays in seconds. And then even if it's several minutes, convert it to seconds, and then make sure that you record that score. Okay, if you have a medical condition that you cannot perform this, make sure you mark a 0, and then make sure you email your instructor letting them know what the condition is so we know what's going on with you. Okay, and in order to complete this assignment, all you're going to do is click take the quiz, and once you've performed the assignment, you just write down your score here in seconds, and then you just hit submit. So for example, if I took the wall sit and maybe I was able to post up against the wall for 2 minutes, you would just convert that to seconds, which is 120 seconds, and just hit submit. Okay, just as easy as that. Okay, and then so the next assignment after that is going to be your Monday/Tuesday assignment. So you have, once again, your quarter 3 policies and procedures acknowledgement. If you've already done this, then you don't have to worry about doing this again. You're good to go for this assignment. But if you haven't done it yet, please take some time. You're going to review this video, preferably with the parent. Once you've done that, you're going to click take the quiz, and then you're just going to click on the acknowledgement that you've watched the video, you understand the policies, and you're just going to click yes right here and then hit submit. Okay, so that's all you need to do for that one. The next assignment is going to be your normal fitness log your weekly fitness log assignment. And you have your choice this week. Okay, you don't have to do the discussion board. You can do any type of workout you want. Please just make sure that you're being as clear as possible with your workout. I need to know sets. I need to know reps. I need to know if you're doing a circuit, how much time did you spend on each exercise. Don't just give me like 5 exercises and then just submit it. I need to know, if I were to read your fitness log, I should be able to do exactly what you did and take as much time as you did. So make sure that when you're posting this assignment in your fitness log, you're including the following things: the date of the exercise session, the details of your workout, okay, sets, reps, weights, all of that stuff, duration, so how long did it take you, and your exercise intensity, how difficult it was. Once you write all of these things down, you'll just go ahead and submit that to me. So in order to submit, once again, you always look for the blue button, click submit assignment, and you can upload it any of these ways. You have a file upload. If you put it on a different file, you can just write it, type it right here, text entry. You can use a Google URL, or if you have it saved on your Google Drive, you can drop it here. So you have all these different ways, and then once you're done, you're just going to click the blue button to submit the assignment. Okay, so that's the assignment for your fitness log for Monday/Tuesday, and then you've got a couple more assignments that I need to go over with you. We've got Wednesday, Thursday assignments. So you've got your cardiovascular day, and once again, it's same as last week. You're just going to do a mile, and this is open all week long. So make sure that you pick a day that the weather is good and you go out and run. Don't wait till Friday, and if it starts raining Friday, you can't complete the assignment because you will get a 0. You have 5 days to get this done, so make sure you do it anytime during that 5-day period. And you're just going to run a minimum of 1 mile, track it on your phones, screenshot the completed run. And here are your running outside instructions. If you are using Nike Run Club, make sure you are following these instructions. Okay, so we've created a different thing now where you just find my challenge on there. You add yourself to the challenge. Once you complete your run, you don't have to do anything in the submission box, but write down, I ran on NRC. Once you do that, I can just go to my phone and check it to verify that you've actually did your run. Okay, if you're not sure how that works, watch this video. It'll further explain. If you use Strava, all you have to do is send me your screenshot. And then if you're running indoors, make sure that you're following these instructions here. Make sure that you can submit a picture with your treadmill screen and including this information right here. And if you want to do Metaconda, you can do that. It's 10 points awarded for 10 minutes of Metaconda. And in order to submit this assignment, once again, look for the blue button. You're going to click the blue button, and then you've got all these different ways to upload your assignment. And then you also have this media here. So if you want to record your video, you just click here and the camera will pop up and you can record the Metaconda straight from here. Okay, and then your last assignment you have this week is going to be from some of the information that you did last week. So you guys studied an international sport and you posted on the discussion board. So using the topic you shared with the class last week in international sports discussion board, please create a 10-question multiple choice quiz about your sport. Make sure to highlight the correct answers, okay? And you get 1 point per question. Okay, so you put on any file you want. When you go to submit the assignment, you can attach your file. You can write it straight on here and submit it, but make sure that it's 10 questions and it's you have your answers, 10 multiple choice questions, and your answer is highlighted so I know which one is the correct answer. Once you're done with that, you're just going to click the blue button to submit the assignment. And those are all of your assignments for this week. Once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Make sure you email me through Canvas right here. I usually get the emails a lot faster than in my district email. And if you, like I said, if you want to meet for Zoom, I'm happy to meet with you guys between 9 to 9:50 every morning, or I can meet with you during class time. Okay? Thank you guys and have a good week.